Hi, hello everyone. I am Sridevi. Today we are going to discuss about international boundaries of India. India has divided into two parts, right? Northern part of India and southern part of India. Northern part of India is sharing land boundaries with different countries, and southern part of India is surrounded by water. Three sides surrounded by water, right? So, southern part of India is known as peninsula. Now, we are going to discuss about which countries are sharing land boundaries with our country, right? First one is Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, right? Which countries are sharing our land boundaries? Pakistan, Pak, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. How many countries those are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Yes. Our country sharing land boundaries with 7 countries. What those are? Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. This is the international boundary line of India is sharing land boundaries with 7 countries, right? Our northeastern part of India is covered with the great mountain range Himalayas and Purvanchal hill ranges, Karakoram hill ranges, right? Our northern part of India is covered with mountains and hills, right? Then now what is the length of this international boundary line? 15,000. The length of international boundary line is 15,106.7 km. What is the length of international boundary line? India's international boundary line length of 15,106.7 km, right? Again we are repeating, what are our neighborhood countries? Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. Then now we are going to discuss which states are sharing land boundaries with our neighborhood countries, right? Then we are starting from Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal. West Bengal is also known as chicken neck of India, and Sikkim, and plus 7 sisters. What are those 7 sisters? Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Meghalaya. Arunachal Pradesh. What is the specialty of Arunachal Pradesh? The first sunrise of India. And what is the specialty of Meghalaya? The highest wettest place in India. Mansiram and Cherrapunji also located in this Meghalaya. Then those states are sharing land boundaries with our neighborhood countries. How many states? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and 9. 9 plus 7 sisters. Total 16. Which states are, how many states are sharing land boundaries with our neighborhood countries? 16 states. And 2 union territories. What those are 2 union territories? Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. Then we will recall that. Which states are our neighborhood countries? Bangladesh, China, Pakistan, Nepal, Myanmar, Bhutan and Afghanistan. The distance between land boundaries with India and other countries. Bangladesh and India. The length of the boundary line is 4096.7 km. What is the length of boundary line between India and Bangladesh? 4096.7 km. And China and India 3488 km. Pakistan and India 3323 km. India and Nepal 1751 km. Myanmar and India 1643 km. Bhutan and India 699 km. Afghanistan and India 106 km. Yes. The total length of boundary line of India is 15,106 km. Then again, which states are sharing land boundaries with our neighborhood countries? Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar, West Bengal, Sikkim, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya. The total number of states are 16 and plus 2 union territories. What are the 2 union territories? Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. Then the longest international boundary line sharing with India. Which country is sharing the longest international boundary line with India? The answer is Bangladesh. What is the length of boundary line? 4096 km. 96.7 km. What is the length of boundary line with Bangladesh? 4096.7 km. And the shortest international boundary line sharing which country is sharing the shortest international boundary line with India? Yes, Afghanistan. What is the length of boundary line between India and Afghanistan? 106 km. What is the length of boundary line of India and Afghanistan? 106 km. Those are very important bits. And the number of states sharing international boundary lines with our neighborhood country? 16 states. What is the number of states? 16 states. And the fourth one, the number of union territories sharing land boundaries with our neighborhood countries? 2. How many number of union territories sharing land boundaries? 2. And one more point also there. The number of districts sharing land boundaries with our neighborhood countries. This is also very important bit. 117 districts are sharing land boundaries with international boundary line. How many number of districts are sharing land boundaries? 117. This is updated. Okay. This is latest bit point. The number of districts are sharing land boundaries with the international neighborhood countries, 117. This is about today's class dears. I hope this class may be useful to us competitive exams. Thank you for watching this channel, and next class we are going to discuss about our peninsula, Indian peninsula and international relations. This is very important class. I hope from class 4 to those who are preparing for groups also, this class will help to all. Please watch my channel, like, share, subscribe my channel also, and I will give notes also for this. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.